Hey, what's up guys? Realtor Kris Sabio here, checking in from Tampa, Florida. Man, I still can't believe the Buccaneers pulled off that crazy win at home. But yeah, this right here is actually a screenshot of when I got my drone in the air for the boat parade on the Hillsborough River. Me and my wife would post it up right over here. This is Davis Island. Then over here, this is Harbor Island. But yeah, shout out to my buddy Jim Smith who pointed this out to me. I'm actually going to show a few pictures that he took upstream in downtown. So this right here is a pretty badass picture. Also, this one is pretty badass. But yeah, if it wasn't for Jim, I wouldn't have been able to point out the fact that Mr. Brady himself, his boat's right here. I think I'm actually pointing him out right now. But keep a lookout for the rest of the footage when I roll the clip back for this blue boat. That's the GOAT himself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear from you. Enjoy the video in all of its unedited glory. Take care, you guys.
Hey, wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Look at my eye. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax on. Wax on, wax off.